Good morning, guys. It's the 12th of January on Tuesday, and I'm just going to do a quick run through of the markets, what we expect this morning. So quickly, as per, I'm just going to start with euro dollar. So we've seen this kind of hold up there again at 109.40 area. Nice shape on this again, so we've got this lower high formed, and that's what I'm kind of looking for. This is what I was looking for yesterday, to then continue on lower. So I've got my trend line in. This is my counter trend line that I've got in on a 15-minute chart, so I'm kind of just looking for the breakthrough here. It's a bit choppy, yes, but again through sort of 108.60 and then through 108.40, I'll be looking to sell this. I think stops below, stops above 109 is a good area to have those, and I'd say that's pretty safe should it take out 109.60 and 109.40 again. So that's what I'm looking for euro dollar. My target still remains the same. I'm still looking down at 107.20, and I think today could be the day that we kind of take on those lower levels. I've got my past market angle in as well, so I'll be looking for obviously for that to break as well. So that's euro dollar. If we just quickly flip to cable, again cable kind of tried to come up and test that, like we said it potentially could do on a daily level. It could get up to 146. It did. We actually went and tested this outer channel that we talked about all day, and we then broke this through overnight. So I'd be looking for the retest to get into this because I'm not in this, but should we get that retest, I'd certainly be looking to take this because I'm looking to take this lower. So if we just extend this out, potentially we see the retest come up to some sort of this area. So we're looking into sort of 145.50s area. I think that's probably a really good sell. And obviously if it closes above there, then everything changes, and then we're kind of looking for the opposite way. But certainly cable looks like it's going to continue. 145 it held again. That's the only thing I don't like about this, is it's held again at 145. So you could see then that push up, and we could have this pullback occur now. So just be careful of cable, but certainly should we get up to 145 and it rejects again, I think that's a good sell zone. Dollar yen. So dollar yen, the yen was weak again yesterday. Well, not again, for one of the first times yesterday. But this trend line on 60-minute, this counter trend line I've got in is still very much in play. So if this holds, you could see obviously the yen rally, but a close below this again signals that we've got to sell this. And so then we have to assume that the yen strength is going to continue, and that's what I'll be looking to do. So especially through sort of this area, if we get a close below, this past market angle that I've got in at the moment, then that will sell off, and I'll be looking to sell that and continue on with yen strength for the day. Dollar CAD is relentless; it keeps going. Again, that past market angle that we had in yesterday worked perfectly. That 80 MA that I was talking about kind of false broke through, and then snapped back, and now we've kind of rallied and gone. So 144 is still my target, as I've said a million times. If you see, when we've broken before, we've kind of come back to retest the trend line. It hasn't happened so far. So if we do get that retest, potentially that is a good buy zone, and I'll be looking to buy that. Otherwise, the only tactic you can use with dollar CAD at the moment is just to buy simply through the highs. So just be careful for that one. Again, don't be stopped out, because I think this is going to go all the way. So just make sure that you're not caught up in a false break that then kind of nicks you out because you've gone a little bit too tight with your stop. But I think certainly we're going to see continued Canadian dollar weakness into today. Aussie dollar again has broken through my 60-minute trend line, come up and retested it. We are back down at these lows again, so 69 is a big level for Aussie. So you could see this is more of a holding day bar more than a rejection from the level. So I'd say that this kind of offers the continuation. So at least go and test 69 again, I think today, and that's what's kind of happened so far. We've broken through my 60-minute trend line, so that's what I'm assuming is going to happen with Aussie, and that's the direction that I'm looking to take this in, because I think that break is one that now will continue on down. I think stops above sort of 70.20 are also pretty safe, and that's where I'll be looking to have mine should I choose to take Aussie today. Kiwi's in a pretty similar situation. As we said, it's probably going to fail at the lows down at 64.60. We haven't got down there yet. We've hit the D, failed at the 118 on the hourly. So if I just quickly make this larger, we failed at the 118 on the hourly. We've pulled back nearly to the 38, so that's complete. So now we can put that past market angle in. So we could put this one in. I mean, this one broke and then continued, so we could have this one in, and I think that's pretty similar to those two over there that I've got in. So if we just replicate this and put that into here, as you can see, we've broken and we've come basically up to retest. So this you could just play as a box breakout, play on a 15-minute, box it up. You could box this up here. So box there 64.40 up to 65.40, sorry, and 65.80 area. You break out either side of that box, and then that's a sell. The stop goes the other side of the box, and that's something you could play potentially in Kiwi. So my other trades today, I do think dollar yen looks like it's going to go through. Obviously, I could be proved wrong and it holds, and therefore Aussie yen CADJPY and what's my other one? Aussie yen, yeah, Aussie yen and CADJPY, maybe even Euro yen will all be good sells today. So they all look like they're setting up nicely. If I just quickly flick to my Aussie hourly, I'll be looking to sell Aussie yen through this area, so sort of through 81.70. A close below there is a good sell for me. For Aussie yen, I think that one's a really interesting one because Aussie yen actually on the day we've had this retest back up at this area of resistance now, so I think that could be just a retest, then we sell off again. So that's why I like Aussie yen. Euro yen's just got a really nice shape to it. I was in this yesterday, just closed it before I left just because I didn't want to be in it, but equivalently we've kind of broken through, and now I'm just looking for the break below 127.60 as my first sell today. On a 60-minute it looks nice too. Again, we're taking on that D down here. That's my target down at 126. So we've kind of got 170 pips to look for that one. We're looking to probably close some at my past market angle. So we're looking to close some potentially at 127.35. But I think that one looks really nice as well. Got good shape to it. As I said, if it fails here, I'd definitely be looking to take some out of that one as well. So that's that one as well. And then we're also one more is I'm looking at CAD potentially as well. That one looks like it's going to continue on with Canadian dollar strength, Canadian dollar weakness, excuse me, sorry. And maybe through the lows here. That's all I can sense for that one. Nice lower high made. So you could quite go nice and comfortable behind there. 86, or maybe go 86.20. So looking at 100 pip, maybe stop. It's quite a big stop. But if you're looking for 100 pips on the downside, which maybe a little bit less, you're looking for sort of 80. So maybe look for a better entry for CADJPY. I probably wouldn't take that on that ground. So maybe look for this to make a lower high here. Another lower high on a 15-minute chart, so you see it rally potentially up to sort of 60s. Maybe it rejects off this kind of previous low that was made at 82.65. Get in there, stop behind 82.65. Small initial position, sell through the lows, stops behind 65. I think that's when you're probably going to get a really good risk to reward. And I do think it then continues on down. We see 83.10. Sorry, 81.10 come up. And well, maybe a bit lower, so I've got a good level of support down at 81.10, but my D's down at 81.45. So just be careful of those. I think it's going to be a really good day trading today. I'm thoroughly looking forward to it, and I hope you guys have a good day trading. Click subscribe to receive all of our videos every morning. We also run a virtual floor. If you follow the link below, where you can join all of our traders here on the trading floor in Moorgate, London, and we'll be going through the trades that we're looking at today. So that runs from 7 till 10 and 1 till 4. So happy trading, and I hope to see you later.